If you want to be able to see the printer queue on your iPhone, essentially every document or paper that is in the queue to be printed on your iPhone to a printer, I'll show you exactly how to find it. So the first thing you're going to do is swipe down from the top right, and we're going to use your control center to do this. So tap on the plus at the top left, and then tap add a control at the bottom center. From here, there's a control option that lets you get to that printer queue. So just tap on search and search for printer, and then tap on print center. After you've done that, let's tap towards the bottom to get out of the edit mode, and then just tap on the little printer icon. You can see it brings up print order, aka the printer queue, and you'll be able to see the list of every document that is currently in the queue. You can see I don't currently have any, but if it did, it would pop up right there. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me today, and I'll catch you on the next one.